This is after Hurricane Beryl, when we thought all was lost, but look at that. So we can harvest them. So that is amazing. Not really very fit, but it can make porridge. So yes, butter don't. Good morning, nature lovers. Welcome to my island home here in my very small backyard in the breadbasket parish of St. Elizabeth, Jamaica. Welcome back also, guys, to the channel Sandra Fostering. I am Sandra, and on this channel we do all things nature related, backyard farming, gardening, houseplants, and all those nice things that contribute to a very therapeutic and peaceful backyard and life as well. In today's video, I'm just going to share with you some unexpected harvests. Guys, I came out here never expecting to find cherries because the trees were battered after Hurricane Beryl. And look on the trees. Whole heap of cherries, especially up in the top. Guys, remember, say, I am from the island and I speak my local dialect. So every now and then I'm going to get out into it, and I hope you do understand. I'll try my best to do the translation. So look at the cherries. A lot of them are on the trees, especially at the top. So grateful. Awesome. I did not expect to find harvest out here. Whoa, they're falling off. Let me get a container. As a gardener, you must always walk with a container because you never know what you're going to buck up on in the garden. You'll never know what you're going to meet up on or what you're going to find in the garden. So look, cherries, and there's so much more in the top. Watch there. I'm gonna check the other trees and see what I find there. Guys, look at the cherry on the trees ripening. This is after Hurricane Beryl, when we thought all was lost, but look at that. Fruit tree still going on strong. Look at cherries on tree. Look at that. Look here. Look there. Tree full of tree is filled with cherries. So all is not lost. All is not lost. Stories may be heartbreaking, but all is not lost. Look there. So guys, even though I share those heartbreaks in my garden with you, look at cherries on tree. I just look over and saw this and I said to myself, but wait, all is not lost. Look at that. This is a moment of inspiration. To know that after all that storm and all the things that have been damaged, all the trees that were blown down, we are still getting fruits. Amazing. I just came out with my flower pot to do something else with it, but this is going to be my container this morning because I never expected to find cherries on the tree. No. So this is a sign that life goes on, and so we can pick up the pieces and move on because life goes on, and there will always be something to eat. Look at that. Don't hide from me. You're here. I see you. Yes, guys, I did not come up here this morning to harvest guava or cherries, but look, I'm able to find some. I'm gonna wash them. Sorry, I'm gonna wash them. Sorry. I couldn't help myself. I just pop it in my mouth without washing the fruit. Bad girl. So guys, to tell you that I did not come out here this morning to harvest. It's my flower pot I'm using. Guys, I can't get those ones. Oh, look at that bird. Oh, nice, Robin. I can't get. Guys, was at the top? I have to shake them off. Look also, guys, on the guava on the dying tree. Yes, this is the heartbreak in the garden, dying tree. But look at the size of the guavas on it. So it's still producing. These were on it before and they were not withered or shriveled up. They came to the stage of ripening, so we can harvest them. So that is amazing. Amazing. Look at the size. And guys, this is pink guava. It's amazing. See? Amazing. One doesn't look like it's so good, so I'm gonna take it out of the picker. And this little one here looks like it's good, so let's get it. Oh wow, awesome. It came out of the picker. Yeah. Guys, here are some huge ones that have fallen. Can I use these? I just have to use them as mulch. Oh, and look here. Right here. And look. Get it. Oh, the picker got one. Yep. Yes, the picker got one. Guys, never expect to find this. It fall over the wall. Beryl had battered it down, and so it's not really very fit. It's not really very fit, but it can make porridge. So yes, batter down. Look like they're all old, but at least I got one. And there's another one over there. I'm going to go back. That one ripe up and so on. Not looking so good, but I'm gonna get it. Yes. So this look like they're old. This one old. They had fallen down, dropped down, and basically they were just there. Barely lit them off of the tree. So in addition to the cherries and the guava that the storm had battered down, I also managed to get ripe plantain and green plantain. So guys, this is really, I'm not gonna lie, this is really an unexpected harvest. So grateful for that today. So grateful. Yes guys, I've taken them inside and I've cut up one of the guava so that you can see what it looks like. For those of you who are not acquainted or don't know, this fruit is an exotic fruit. In my estimation, it grows here on the island, and it's pink guava. And this, guys, is one of the richest sources of vitamin C. If you take a guava per day, you don't need to take any tablet. You don't need to take any 500 or 1000 vitamin C. This right here is enough for the day. If you can manage the seeds, you can have it with the seeds, or you can spit out the seeds when you're through. I could also sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon on this as well for an enriched flavor. Yes guys, so that's it. This is my harvest today from the tumble down uprooted guava tree after burial. So you see the harvest is very massive, unexpected and massive. Look there. So you can have these, guys, for your breakfast. So I just came in, and that's gonna be breakfast with a couple cherries that have been washed. So amazing. I'm so happy. I didn't expect this. I'm so overwhelmed with happiness. I mean, I live for my fruits. I live for my fruits, so I never expected this at all. Amazing. So thankful. Yes guys, this is the unexpected harvest. A few minutes in the garden, massive harvest. I would consider this a massive harvest after Hurricane Beryl. So guys, I'm just gonna cut these up and juice them. Put a little ginger in it, put it in the blender and just run it, and that will be juice. I've shared that recipe I think with you before. If not, I'll share it with you another time. But yes guys, from farm to table, you will not find these fresh produces in the market. Very organic, no fertilizers, just organic. Drop it in the comments for me what you harvested today or what you would have liked to harvest. So thank you very much guys for joining me in my small peaceful backyard this morning, where I was able to harvest some unexpected produces, the cherry, the guava and the plant. So very grateful. So
I hope you have been harvesting too. Just drop it in the comments, some of the things that you have harvested today or even this week. Drop it in the comments, please. Thank you very much, and we will see you next time. Walk good, enough love.